Come on, Kigali, let's get ready.
Mukanya rero tubona abakinnyi babiri Dietoro ndetse na Pogacar basesekara ahangaha kuri finish line, ariko mbibutsa ko basubiramo laps esheshatu muri ya Kigali circuit ya sirikiro bazenguka ibirometero 13 na metero 600 niyo bari bukore. Mukanya gato rero twakira abakinnyi babiri bayoboye Dietoro ndetse na Pogacar. Ngizo rero moto za polisi zibaherekeje imbere n'inyuma. Kigali muriteguye, uyu ni umunsi wanyu, imbaraga zose mwari mufite turazikeneye, abakinnyi nizo bakeneye, namwe turabakeneye. Twereke isi ko uyu munsi ari uwa nyuma. Kigali muriteguye, tuzakarura ubwa nyuma. Kigali muriteguye, mukanya turakira Dietoro ndetse na Podi. Aya ni amateka rero uzabwira inshuti, aya ni amateka uzabwira abavandimwe, aya ni amateka uzereka abagukomokaho yuko wabonye umukinnyi wa mbere ku isi Bogi, yuko wabonye Dietoro, yuko wabonye Remco, yuko wabonye ibihanganye mu mukino w'amagare. Biri ahangaha i Kigali, dore ngabo baje Dietoro, Bogi kuri metero nkeya cyane ndababona, mu byanya turabona ingofero zabo, kasike zabo zagukanga. Yes, here they are. Kigali, please welcome. Please make some noise, Kigali. 6 laps to go.
6 laps to go for Tadej Pogacar on Isaac Del Toro. 6 laps, Sestoul. Oh, now, what is the bridge happening? It looks like, once again, that maybe Sivakov, hard to say from a distance, and now Ben Healy jumps. What will be the time gap? It was a few minutes ago, almost 45 seconds. And over the top, Healy feeling it again today. He missed that jump, he was far behind on the just digging deep here. Here we go. And Healy leading the peloton with 6 laps to go.
6 laps to go. 6 laps to go. And here comes Remco.
As we go through here, he's led out by Ben Healy. Remco and then Cole comes in. Whole string of riders coming through soon. We have 6 laps to go, everybody. And that means, if you count it down, 90.6 kilometers to go. And for the bike change, so there it is. That might be one of the main explanations for the troubles of Remco Evenepoel en Kigali. Alors voilà ce qui explique probablement les troubles d'Evenepoel. C'était peut-être plus mécanique que physique. Il change la bécane ici. On le voit ajuster sa selle, tenter d'ajuster. Evenepoel putting the ice down his back. And going through right there, his teammate Louis Verlaque doing a lot of work earlier on. So, the drama unfolds here in Kigali now. Trying to go again. Trying to bring Ciccone to the front. One of his teammates here. Garofoli, Ciccone, and at the back, sitting on the wheel of the group, Michael Storer. 54 seconds. 54 seconds. And don't forget last year, yes, on a very different course, Pogacar attacked with 100 kilometers to go and soloed his way. Today, he has an adversary in Isaac Del Toro. Salcedo going by right there. Well, they are speeding, trying to chase down the Slovenian. Look at that sweat just barreling down off his chin. del Toro, but you are talking about Mr. Pogacar. Now the ice also melting off his back. A lot of shenanigans going on. So now it looks like Primož Roglič is playing regulator here, trying to slow down the Danes, the Australians, and the Italians. Yep, there he is. Third wheel there with the Red Bull helmet. This group has dwindled down to, it looks like here we are calling about 40 riders maximum. So heartbreaking for Juan Ayuso. He was actually one of the main agents provocateurs.
Numero ya Del Toro na Pogacar harimo ikinyuranyo cy'amasegonda 55 kuri we ndetse n'igikundi kimuri inyuma cyangwa se Pogacar mu mihanda rero urenze mu kabwa kanya rutara mukati ibumoso bakaba bagiye kwerekeza ku mihanda izenguruka Kigali North. To all our main partners, Mapele, Total Energy, Mybush, Slovenia nimero 6 Domen Novak nyuma y'akazi gakomeye akoreye mugenzi we rero Pogacar akaba ahise ava mu irushanwa. Tugishimira rero abafatanyabikorwa n'abaterankunga, turashimira Santini, Shimano, Tissot, Big Mac ndetse na Volkswagen. Imodoka nziza za Volkswagen rero murimo kuzibona n'ubwo kuri screen zanyu za T-Cross ziherekeza ama equipe, ziherekeza abakinnyi, zibatwaje amagare hamwe na Volkswagen. To official supplier Sisaka Private MU Insurance, Inyange Industries, and Bank of Kigali, financially transforming lives.
So our estimated finish time.